today, Ryla?
We're making Peeps Playdoh.
Yay!
Now first you open the package and put it in the bowl.
I'll help you with yours. What's your flavor?
Mine is cotton candy.
And mine is sour watermelon.
Ooh.
Can I smell yours? It smells sweet.
Now put the Peeps in the bowl.
All of them at once?
Yeah. Just put it right in.
Cute.
Now put a half tablespoon of coconut oil. And 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar.
All right, 3 tablespoons. Okay.
3 tablespoons.
Count with me. You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
1, 2, 3.
Now we melt it in the microwave for 20 seconds. Be right back. I'll melt it.
Look how big they are. Ooh.
Mine is poop.
Mine is poof too. Okay, now we mix.
Yeah.
Yours is pretty too.
Mine is turning blue and pink.
Look at sticky.
Sticky. Now we mix it with our hands. Really stretchy.
Stretchy. Cool.
This is what it looks like.
We kneaded our Peeps. And now it looks like
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. It kind of feels like pizza dough, but it's edible Play-Doh.
I'm gonna try it.
You gonna try it? Try it.
You try yours too.
You first.
It's good.
Okay, I'm gonna try mine.
Stretch. There's a stretchier than mine.
Different consistency. We added more powdered sugar to make it less sticky, right?
Yeah. And look, guys. Did you guys see? There's still blue things in there.
That's cool. Like it kept the little blue flecks. And mine used to be green, but it turned into a darker pink because there was pink inside.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.